All right, we are at 95 Highgate Trail, Covington, Georgia. It's March 2nd, 2026, 11:08 in the morning. It's about 70 degrees outside. We were called out to this home to provide another set of eyes on it. A previous contractor has been out here to do a repair attempt to show that this roof does not appear to be repairable. If this repair attempt was done properly, you can obviously see they replaced this shingle, and there's significant creasing, broken matting on the two shingles above. So we're going to do a asphalt repairability assessment. This is following the guidelines provided by the Institute of Forensic Engineers, and we are going to document how removing and replacing shingle X affects the 8 shingles that have to be manipulated around it. So we're going to start the repair process and notate any issues we find along the way.
Go ahead and be real careful here. Go ahead and pull the nails out of these shingles here. Careful not to lift these up very high. Going through there. You see the hole's going to be left there in that shingle. That shingle's going to remain on the roof there. This is what it should look like here. You see that nail pulled through there. That shingle there, that way we know.
So what shingle was that?
That was shingle 8 there, or that was
the one that's got the hole
excuse me,
in it.
that was shingle 5.
All right, so mark 5 out. Mark the number 5. Yeah. All right, so shingle 5 is now damaged.
All right, that should be all the nails there. This one. Got it high up here. Shingle there. I'm gonna pull this shingle out. Gonna put this shingle back. We're just representing what we would typically do in a repair. As you can see, there are some nail heads, like that one right there, that pulled through there. We're gonna go ahead and put this shingle back and nail it off. We've got to, at minimum, go this high, get that nail in where it needs to be. We're not going to lift the shingle any higher than that right there. Go ahead and nail this shingle back off.
pretty big granular loss on shingle 6 there.
Yeah, you can see shingle 6 got some granular loss occurring. That shingle all back installed there.
Let's see, shingle 8 is creased. That's gonna be damaged fiberglass matting. I'd mark out 8. 8 is damaged. What about shingle 6? Looks like it has some loose granules.
Yeah.
5, 6.